Okay, and the last thing I want to teach you for this lesson is what a frequency table is and how to find the mean, median, and mode from a frequency table. So I got this problem for you. This is actually true, okay? Now, there's a certain type of cricket, and when it chirps, if you count how many chirps it does in a matter of 15 seconds and you add 40 to that, that actually gives you a really close approximation to the temperature that that cricket is in. So if he chirped 30 times in 15 seconds, you add 40 to that, he's chirping at about 70 degrees. That's what he's telling you. He's like 70 degrees out right now. And so to verify this class of 24 students, they actually counted cricket chirps for 15 seconds. And these are the following results for those 24 students. Like, notice there's 24 students altogether, okay? And right here we have a frequency table to keep this information. Now the number of chirps is right here, and number of students that counted 30 chirps is represented right here, and we put tallies, but then we just count them up. There was 11 students who counted 30 chirps, and here we had 4 students who counted 31 chirps, and here we had 9 students that counted 32 chirps, okay? So we want to take a look at this frequency table right here and figure out the mean, median, and mode from this frequency table. Well, how about we start off with the easiest one? Let's start off with the mode. The frequency table does a great job telling us what the mode is right here. Really, the mode is the number that happened the most often. So which of these numbers, 30, 31, and 32, had the most frequency? Well, not 9, not 4, but 11. So 11 students heard 30 chirps. So our mode in this situation is 30. Okay? 30 happened the most often. Next thing we need to know, I think the next hardest one to find, is the median. Now, the median can be you can almost estimate it by looking at this. Remember, to do the median, you had to line up these numbers in order from least to greatest. So if I wanted to do that the way I tell you before, I'd have to put 30 down 11 times, right? And then once I put it down 11 times, then I have to put 31 down 4 times. And then once I do that, I have to put 32 down and start working my way from the inside out. But let's just look at this table and see if we can figure it out a little bit more closely. Notice that there are 11 at 30 and 9 at 32. So if we cross out these 9 and cross out 9 here, right, we're left with 2 there, okay? So let's keep on working our way to the middle. I just kind of got rid of the outer ones, right? And now I'm going to cross 2 more out here, and then if I take 2 more out there, I am left with 2 more there. So it looks like our median would be right in the middle at the 31 right here, okay? So our median, if we work our way to the middle, is in this situation 31 chirps. Plus 40, which would be 71 degrees. That's what the median would be in this scenario. The mode would say about 70 degrees. Now let's find the mean. The mean's a little bit harder, a little bit trickier. Let's use this table to figure out the mean. Now remember, the mean is you got to add up all the numbers and divide it by how many numbers there are. Now we know there are 24 numbers altogether. So in our mean, we're going to be taking whatever the top is, whatever it is, and dividing it by 24. Now again, this would be a pain to go 30 plus 30 plus 30 11 times, and 31 plus 31 plus 31 4 times, and 32 plus 32 plus 32 9 times. That's why God invented multiplication. Okay? So we're going to take 30 and multiply it by 11. 30 times 11, well, 3 times 11 of that is, and then we got 930. So this is equal to, when we multiply it, 930. Okay? And then we have 31 times 4. Well, 4 times 30 is 120. Oh, why did I do 930? Gosh. 330 up there. Correction made. Sorry. Okay, now we have 31 times 4, which is 120 plus another 4 added onto that, so we have 124 for this times that. And then we have 32 times 9. So 32 times 9, 3 times 9 is 27. So 270 plus another 18, so 288. 288. So we have 330 plus 288 plus 124, and I don't know why I did it out of order. And let's just add those suckers up and get our final solution. 330 plus 288 plus 124. Enter. Divide that by 24. And I hope I didn't do any arithmetic errors here. So, the average would be equal to 30.91 chirps per 15 seconds. Add 40 to that, and there's the cricket saying, hey, it is about 70 degrees Fahrenheit out there. So that's how you can use a frequency table to find the mean, median, and mode.